Hi everyone and welcome to another ShowCockpit tutorial. Today's video is about translating from ArtNet to Enttec OpenDMX. So let's start by opening the application and creating an empty project, or you can use your existing project if you want, and add the elements that we need. So we'll start by adding an ArtNet Input element, and then we'll also add the DMX Enttec OpenDMX device. Let's start by configuring the first element, the ArtNet input. We will need to select the IP address. We should be able to leave the receiving port as default one. This is the default ArtNet port. And probably the other very important option that we have to change is the universe. So the DMX universe in ShowCockpit starts on 0. But if you ever have any doubt about an option, you can click the option name, and it will give you a description of the option. In this case, it says that the universe starts on 0. So if we leave this at 0, we are essentially receiving universe number 1, so the first universe. The other options are not very important because we are not going to filter any particular channels. We are going to sync the whole universe to the OpenDMX device. So let's enable the ArtNet input since the options are already set. You can see the control event already blinking. It means ShowCockpit is already receiving ArtNet. And now we just need to change the options for the Enttec OpenDMX. We select the device here on the device list on the right, change the refresh rate if you want, and enable it. And now that we have the two elements that we need, we just need to link them. And we do that by going to the mapping section. So here on the left, select the OpenDMX from the list and click on the DMX Universe Sync function. And on the right, you can select ArtNet Input from the list, and you will see all the faders exposed based on the channel options here of the element. So if we start on channel 1 and have 10 channels, you'll see you'll be able to map all these channels as individual faders. But that's not what we want to do here. We want to map the whole universe. And if you want to map DMX Universe, that will appear on the Others tab. So here it is. Click on DMX Universe Sync Control, and this will be linked to the Enttec OpenDMX DMX Universe Sync as we clicked here before. So if you come back to elements, you'll see that for each control event on the ArtNet input, you will see a function being triggered on Enttec OpenDMX. This means that any DMX data coming into via ArtNet is now going out through OpenDMX. And that's it. That's how you translate from ArtNet to OpenDMX. I'd like to end this video saying that we are on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also feel free to join our Facebook users group. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.